What's swinging, guys? It's Carl doing here. Welcome to Beaumont South Lakes. Today is week 12 of Beaumont College trial and test. If they finally stop putting these in front of the call points, we can actually start it off. So, let's
just move it then. Easy solution.
Let's get it ready. Yeah, we've got new ones being put in, but we're not going to do them until we've been given the go-ahead. Now we just need to get the three F07Es. And then after we've got the FR07Es, we can go ahead and end the vid. Whoops. What? We'll do this one now. And if you see, we've got new call points, but that isn't going to be used until we get the go-ahead. Alright, now to do the last two. Then I could have breakfast. Yep, I've got breakfast here. I've started to bring cereal for breakfast each day. So after this, and I've done the emergency lighting test, we can go ahead and get it done.
How are we doing? Got Jess out here.
I'll sing well. We'll just quickly let someone know while. We've got someone out there who won't come in. Now we've only got one last one. Hopefully the student being there and the fire alarm testing light doesn't stop us testing the last one. We'll just
Hi there.
Hey. Yeah, try and make sure not to get anyone in the video. Now for the last one. And there we go, so that's it for week 12 of Beaumont College Trial and Test. Hopefully soon, once we get the upstairs bit and we get the go ahead, we can start doing the new co-points for the tests as well. But that's it for now, so if you enjoyed week 12 and can't wait for week 13, then please subscribe for future content. And until next time, ring out.
Check it out.
Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please subscribe for future content.